What is up everyone? I hope you're doing great and you are all safe. For this video, tuturuan ko kayo mag-workout. And what better way to work out than to do something techy? Right now, mag-build tayo ng gaming chair from Novus. Actually, hindi pala to tech stuff, no? So, gagawa tayo ng furniture. So, this is the Novus Maverick CGW100WT. And I got this from AVS Goods. You can check them here and I'll put the link down below. This is color white and black para sakto dun sa aking build na Stormtrooper concept na black and white. So guys, let's go! Alright, so nakuha lang natin ang chair na to sa halagang 3,750. And pag may wholesale mo siyang bibilihin, of course, mas mura siya doon sa AVS Goods. So you can check them out. And right now, start na nating buksan yung ating gaming chair na Novus Maverick. So pagbukas mo ng box, this is the armrest. So it's made from high density plastic and you have your foams here para mas comfortable pag ilalagay mo ang iyong hands. Ito yung base natin, ito yung metal base natin. So ayan, mukha siyang starfish. Another armrest natin. Foam material yung ating chair itself. Yan. So, it comes in two parts. So, ito yung para sa iyong upuan. Backrest. Ayan. Ito yung isang mabigat na na part niya. Medyo mabigat siya. So, ito yung lalagay natin para sa ating back support. So, mukha siyang race car type. Yan, para siyang upuan ng race car. And then, yung ating wheels na black and white din. So, that's nice touch. We have yung ating pump here. Yung pang-adjust natin sa up and down. So, I think this is the hydraulic. Hydraulic nga ba yung tawag doon? I'm not sure. Pero ito yung parang nagpe-pressure para umakyat baba yung ating chair. We have our screws. And ang ating last piece ay ating manual. Ayan, ito yung ating manual. And guys, simulan na natin yung pag-build nitong Novus Maverick chair.